Struggling to find consistency in your trading strategies? What if you could discover new setups or improve your existing ones effortlessly? The Traderbook Setup Factory transforms how discretionary traders refine strategies by revealing hidden market truths and enhancing decision-making precision. If you're not familiar with terms like edge, expected value, probabilistic thinking, trading setups, risk to reward, or win rate, this tool may not be for you. However, if you already have an edge and the consistency to succeed in trading, this tool will take your game to the next level. Now, let's dive into the details. If you're still watching, you probably already understand what an R is, along with the concepts we mentioned earlier. An R represents your risk per trade, essentially how much you stand to lose if the trade doesn't go in your favor. Multiply that by the risk-to-reward ratio to find the big R, which is your potential return. Let's say you have $10,000 in your account and want to risk 1% on this trade. That means your little R is $100. So what's your big R? Let's build a setup and find out. Our algorithms reveal hidden support and resistance levels, where fear and greed collide, giving you a clearer picture of market dynamics. Whether you trade forex, crypto, or equities, our true S&R tool delivers the insights you need to stay ahead, from smarter entries to better exits. Financial markets, much like life, are always in motion. Sometimes buyers dominate, sometimes sellers, and other times it's a balance of uncertainty. By understanding market flow with our Pseudoraculus signals, true S&R levels, and sector analysis on higher timeframes, you'll gain the edge every trader strives for. But wait, there's more. Activating any of the 4 probability zones helps you fine-tune price extremes for better entries and exits, and gives you a head start on big market moves. Regardless of your trading strategy or style, moving averages can be a powerful tool. Activate them and tailor them to suit your preferences. If you're trading forex, make sure to activate the currency swaps and interest rates dashboard. Whether you're analyzing fundamentals or optimizing cost basis, our FX tools are here to help. Now, let's find the big R, starting with the perfect entry point. After selecting the entry price, the next step is to determine the stop loss and take profit levels. Notice that the setup board has already calculated the position size to ensure we're risking just 1% of our capital. And there you have it. Your big R for this trade is simply your little r multiplied by the setup's risk-to-reward ratio. So if you're ready to revolutionize your trading approach, try the Setup Factory today and experience the difference firsthand.